Hi. Yesterday, my daughter got to go to a play date, which freed me up to focus on my son, and we decided to do some game school. He picked a variety of games. We played Exploding Kittens, we played A Hand of Magic, and we played Bears versus Babies. While we were playing Bears versus Babies, he volunteered, "See, Mama, we're doing math." So I asked him to repeat himself for the camera. Here he is.
Bears vs. Babies is a game where you add up the attack power of the babies. And I'm winning with 6 babies.
So when you play Bears versus Babies, you get to do a lot of addition and subtraction. You have to add up points of your bears, and you have to add up the points of babies, and then you have to find the difference between them, which is subtraction. But when we were playing yesterday, I also learned about the party hat, which multiplies your monsters by 2. Now, monsters are made up of multiple parts: a head, a body, maybe some arms and legs. And if you put a party hat on your monster, all the points double. When my son doubled his points, he would count each piece twice as he went along. So he would say 2, 4 for the head, and then he'd say 1, 2 for the body, 1, 2 for the legs, 1, 2 for the arm. When I did my party hat multiplication, I counted the entire monster. So I would count 2 for the head plus 1 of the body, 1 of the legs, and 1 of the arms to have 5, and then I would multiply that by 2. It was awesome because that is multiplication 2 different ways, and I will show you in the rest of the blog exactly what that looks like on paper so that you can see what math we were doing in our head and what the symbols then are for doing that math, especially as your monsters get really big. Thanks for watching. Bye.
At Boko Learning, we believe you should never stop learning. Fear is the enemy, and being curious and courageous are the best ways to grow your knowledge.